critical news for Ondo. We got major price targets here for Ondo and a big piece of news that just came out for Ondo. So we're going to be covering all of this in this video. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day with you guys. Ondo is up 9.4% today. Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. Where is this thing going next? Let's jump right into it. First off, we got to talk about Bitcoin, right? We all know that Bitcoin is running here. We're making it up to $107,000 Bitcoin. Congratulations to all the Bitcoin holders and crypto holders out there. Guys, but where could Bitcoin be going next? I could be targeting at least $109,000 for Bitcoin here in the short term if we continue this rally. Meanwhile, we hold 106,000. Up we go for now. Right now, let's jump over to Ondo. What's happening with Ondo right now? The critical news is that World Liberty Finance, you guys know, if you know, you know who I'm talking about here, who's behind this. They just bought 250,000 USD of Ondo, meaning they bought 134,216 Ondo yesterday. This was more than 2 hours ago. This post is older now. This was from yesterday on December 15th. Today is December 16th, the time of recording this video. They've been buying Aave, they've been buying ETH, they've been buying Link, and they've all been moving up slowly. They're building up real world assets. And guess what they also all have in common? What they have in common is that all these cryptos are on Ethereum, right? Except for obviously Coinbase, or I should say Bitcoin on Coinbase, aka the Base network, right? So there's a lot of things happening here with World Liberty Finance trying to really build a huge DeFi overall protocol here and taking advantage of what's existing out there right now. Now, let's go look at Ondo's price levels. Ondo did run up here to the 1.65, hitting $2.13, right? And having a slight pullback. But as Bitcoin is rallying here, the Bitcoin dominance is also rising. We could see a little bit of a follow-up with the altcoins, right? Ondo could continue moving up. But even if it doesn't, even if it just consolidates here, what are some critical levels? Well, we want to see Ondo hold 189, right? If Ondo keeps pulling back, we want to see it hold 189 here as it's done in the past couple of days. We don't want to see it dropping below 189. If it did, next target here would be 175 for some support before continuing to move up. Now, if we are to cross $2, the next big target after $2.12 is $2.46 for Ondo, and above that we start going into the region of $2.73 with $2.87 before things start to get really wild for Ondo and running towards that $3 mark and higher, right? We all know that Ondo is tied into real world assets, and real world assets is a very hot narrative in crypto overall. But those are the critical levels that I'm looking at for Ondo right now, especially with this Bitcoin price action happening. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think is going to be happening for Ondo and what other altcoins you want me covering here on the channel. I'm Blockchain Crusader, crusading through these blockchains every single day. I'll see you guys in the Crypto Citadel.